game face. No, I feel like I was working for Extraordinary, but...
What's up, good people? We are back with a whole new episode of Lazy Chef. I know it's been a minute, but you know, life happens. But we have bigger and better content for you people. But without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So today we will be making potato croquettes. They're pretty simple to make and pretty delicious as well. This is just plain mashed potatoes, like just boil the potatoes with a bit of salt and then just mash them. You will have to add 1 egg yolk, just the yolk, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is just like a pinch of black pepper, a bit of chili, like a pinch as well, pinch of salt, and then just mix that up real quick. You can even do it with your hands at some point. Okay, and then we are going to put in half an onion. Just mix that in real quick. By the way, what you're hearing, guys, that's our next meal next time, so stay tuned. Okay, it's all mixed. I usually put in like half a teaspoon of butter, like 3 teaspoons, I mean, of milk. This recipe, guys, you can add cheese if you want to. It's like a personal preference. You don't need to add butter. That's usually up to you. That's because I wanted butter, but yeah. The whole mixture is basically done, right? We are going to take some breadcrumbs. You can make your breadcrumbs at home if you don't want to buy, but I feel like that's a lot of work. We're just going to mold it. These are egg whites. We're just gonna put it around, just dipping, coat it with some breadcrumbs all around. You are basically done. You just need to deep fry it and you are good. Shallow fry it, not deep fry it. It doesn't take too long, so don't let it stay too long. Also, the oil, if it's too hot, it will burn, so you need to have it warm but not so hot. And depending on your shape, I feel like this shape cooks faster and stuff, but yeah, usually cooks for maybe around 2 minutes or less, and then you're good. After one side browns, golden brown, you can turn it over. Keep in mind this is still mashed potatoes, so if you're not careful, it will break apart. It looks like fish fingers-ish to a point, right? I feel like it looks like fish fingers to a point. I'm just gonna turn that off real quick. I'm gonna drain the extra oil from it. I'm just gonna put it there. So we are done. That is your potato. Ooh, potato. God, potato croquet. It didn't take long to make. It looks amazing. It tastes even better. And it's not even a snack. It's like really, really filling. You can just cut it because inside it's still all gooey. Yes. Oh my God. Yes. That's what I needed it to look like. It's just oozing out. I'm happy. I'm happy. You can serve it like dip if you have dip or sauce. Whichever way, man, do you. But yeah, there you have it. That is your potato croquet. I am the Lazy Chef.